selected. So we created for 2018. So let's search. Good. So this is the outcome. This is the student name, roll number, registration number, date of birth, department, batch, semester, then the courses that they've obtained. Okay. So this is all their information. Then they can now go ahead to print their results. Okay. So this is very easy. So this can be used for transcript system. You can see now that the student can download and the school name will show on it. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can add transcript option to our school website. Okay, so this option will allow students to be able to see their own results and see what their grade has been. Okay, so without too much talk, we'll jump straight to our WordPress environment. Then we're going to add just one plugin to make this functionality. Okay, so if you go to plugin, you go to add new, then you will see a link at the description of this video to get this plugin for free. This plugin is actually free. Okay, so when you click on upload, then you drag the plugin into this, then you click on install. Okay, so you can see now that the plugin has successfully installed. Then we want to activate this plugin right now. Okay, so this plugin has successfully been installed, and you see is a results management system for school. Okay, then if you scroll down, you are going to see it right here. Okay, so the first thing we want to create is to create departments. Let's create some departments: computer science, and engineering. Then total credits. We don't need total credits. Then let's click accounting. Let's say accounting and finance. Okay, so let's use these two departments. Then you want to configure the semester. So you're going to say first semester, then admin, then second semester, admin. Okay, then go back to department again. Do the same for this first semester, second semester. Okay, so now we have first semester and second semester for computer science. Computer science. Okay. The next thing we want to do right now is to go to batch. Then we are going to create our batch. Okay, so this batch is 2017/2018 batch. Session, enter session, e.g. month and year. Okay, so I'll put 2017 October active. Let's just add it. Let's add another batch. 2018/2019 batch. put 2018 September admin batch. Go back 2019-2020 batch. Put 2019. Okay. So I think these three batches are okay for us to do what we want to do. Okay. So then we now have to go to students. Okay. So here we can add a new student to the system. Okay. The enter student name here. What do you mean? Jonah. Shout out to Jonah anywhere you are right now. Okay. Student registration number. And guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on all the post notifications so that you can be the first person to get aware whenever I drop content on my channel. Okay, so the registration number is 280 980 40874. Class row is 12. Department of this student is computer science. Then the batch is 2017, 2018. Then the semester or section. Okay, so we're going to put for semester. Library card. Library card number is 209. Okay, so father's name is Juni. Mother's name is Teresa. Gender of the students is male. Then the date of birth should be 2010 May 20. Okay. Then the email address of the student is abc@gmail.com. Contact number, let's just put a phone number, blood group, positive, religion, Christianity. Okay. Nationality, Nigeria. Okay. Parent address, house 9. Okay. Area 1. Local guidance name. No guidance. Okay, so I think this is perfect. Okay, so we are going to click on publish. So if we click on it now to look at these students, then you can see that it's showing that nothing is found. Okay, so we have to do one more thing, which is to go to courses, then add new courses. Okay, so we want to add the first course, basic micro electronics. Okay, then the course code is department, semester, first semester, total mark 100, credits. Let's leave the credits for now. Prerequisite subjects, none. Okay. Okay, then we'll click on publish. Okay, so we want to create another course. Calculus, course code, MTH 203. Computer science, first semester, total mark 100, theory, requisite subject none, publish. Then let's create another one. Call it computer architecture CMP 205 or 205. Computer science, first semester, total mark is 100. Publish. Okay, so let's add another one. I want us to add like 5 courses before we proceed. Data, logic, design, 06. Okay, so let's create one more. MP 207. Okay, so let's just put in random course code. Okay, so publish. So we've created like 5 courses now. Let's go back. We've created like 5 courses now. So what we want to do right now is to go to start looking at what the grade system we have here. Okay, so under grade, we have the already built grade here, and we have the grade classification. That's the credits. Okay, so this is A plus is 80 to 100, A is 75 to 79, A minus 70 to 74, B plus. Okay, so what we want to do right now is you can either delete all of this, or you edit it, or you add your own grade. Okay, so let's go to exams. Then exam list, add name. If you come here now, this name will be displayed on front-end search form and other place. Exam name should be unique, e.g. exam 2015. Okay, and the months, the year, then if we want people to see it on the front end. Okay, so I'll just say final exam 2018. Exam months is July. Exam year is 2018. Add new exam. Okay, so I will add another exam. Final exam 2019. Exam is this, then 2019. Okay. So another thing we also want to do is to add one more so that we can have SS 2020, August 2020. Okay. Then after that, now we want to start creating the students' results. Okay, so you have to take it one after the other. First, we create the department. We added the semester. Then we create the batch, 2017, 2018 batch, 2018, 2019 batches. Then we added the new students. We created some courses. Now we've created 3 exams, so that when people want to search for results, then they can search for when they write their final exam. Okay, so now we want to go to results. Okay, so it said exam record list. Okay, so we're going to click on this. We want to add result uh for which students and for which year. Okay, so it says exam. Which exam do we want to uh create result for? Okay, so I want to create result for 2019 uh final exam. Okay, then which department? So if I click on accounting now, then it will show me the list of students that are under accounting. Okay, so we only created one student. So if I go back to computer science, then we have only these students. Then batch year. So if I click 2018, 2019, you see that there's no student because that student is in 2017, 2018 batches. So that means we also have to change this. So right now, it says which semester, first semester. Okay, so right now we have these students and the roll number is this. Okay, so we can now say we want to add exam record for these students. So if I click on add new exam record, then we can now start adding results for these students. Okay, so I will let's click on view result first so that you can see that there's nothing there. Okay, so there's nothing here right now. So if I go back, then if I click on add marks, then I want to add marks for which students. Okay, we've added all the departments, all the courses in that department of computer science. So we added 5 courses. So those are the 5 courses that we are going to assign marks for right now. So if I click on add new, then before then, let's go back to grades. Let's open grade in a new tab. So you can see now that we have the exam record table here. Okay. Okay, so the total marks is 100. Mark obtained by students is what? Okay, so for basic microelectronic, we want to say that this student got 45 or 47, which is C. Marginal fail. Let's use pass. Let's use pass. So let's use 52. 52. Then how many percent is that? Let's say we want to allow the system to calculate it itself. Okay. So if you come back here to this settings page, you can see that when I put 52, then this automatically come up. Okay. So if you come to under settings, then you're going to see general settings. You're going to see this. So disable auto calculating. So if you uncheck this, then this will not calculate automatically. Okay. So I will enable that. Then I'll come back here. Okay. So the grade is C plus. The grade is C plus. C plus. So that's 2.5. Then calculus, the student got B plus, that's 67. Then got 67. So if I click outside the box, you see now it calculates. So 67 is B plus. Okay. So for computer architecture design, the student got 78, which is A. 78, which is A. Okay. Also, for digital logic design, the student got 77. 76, which is still A. 76, which is still A. Then for computer programming, the student got 90, which is A plus. 90, which is A plus. Okay, so this is what this student has got. And if you come right here right now, you can see that the total marks is 500. Then all of this is 365. Then this percentage is 72.6. And the final grade is this. Okay, so if I remove this and put it as 20, you will see that sorry, I'm supposed to remove this. So you can see now that it has reduced. Okay, so let's put it back as 90. Let's even make this 77. 77 is what? 77 is A. Okay, so the final grade is 373 and the percentage is 74.6. Okay, so 74.6 is distinction. It's not a distinction. Let's make this 55 so that we can have a random a complete number. Okay, so 55 is B minus. B minus. Okay, so 75% is A, which is distinction. A. Okay, which is distinction. Come back here. Final results, distinction. So the CGPA is okay. So now the CGPA, we have to put the CGPA. This is 72.20. I mean 75.20 is under distinction, but the grade points, which is the CGPA, is 3.75. Okay, so if you come back to this page now, then we paste this here. So that is the CGPA for that student. Okay, so first thing that we did was that we created departments, then we added semester. Okay, so this is what is showing right now. Okay, then we can now click on updates. Okay, so we've clicked on update right now. So now for us to be able to see these students' results, one thing I want us to do is that I want us to come back to these courses. Under these courses, you can also do edit course. You know, each courses have their own credit unit. So we did not add it the other time. So you can put it here. 3 units. So you can put 3 unit course, 2 unit course, 4 unit course, anything you want to put there. Okay, so that is what you can put under that credit. So now we want to see this student results. So one thing we want to do right now is to go to this page that we've added. So I've created this page. So what you can do is to just click on this, then search for shortcode. Search for shortcode. Then I'm going to drop this link at the description of this video where you can download this and also get the shortcode. Okay, so it said added a new shortcode. So this shortcode can be used to get that results. By this shortcode, students can search their own results. Results can be searched through roll number by default or by registration number. So if we use this shortcode, the student can search by their roll number. But what if we have different roll number? So let's search by their registration number. Okay, so I will come back to this page and paste that shortcode here. Paste. Okay, so I click on updates. Okay, so we've updated that page now. Then we have to go back to our students. Then we have to copy this registration number here. Okay, so when a students come back to this page, they can actually see, they can see this page like this. Okay, so they can see this page like this, then they can select the year. Okay, so let's select 2020 and paste this short code and click on submit. You see invalid exam selected. So we created for 2018. So let's search. Good. So this is the outcome. This is the student name, roll number, registration number, date of birth, department, batch, semester, then the courses that they've obtained. Okay, so this is all their information. Then they can now go ahead to print their results. Okay, so this is very easy. So this can be used for transcript system. You can see now that the student can download and the school name will show on it. Okay, so I hope this video is very useful for you. Please guys, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. The more you share this video, the more I will be motivated to bring you free tools that you can use to add complex functionality to your website, to your WordPress website. And if you have any video you want me to do, just comment it at the comment box. Then I'm going to make this video for you. Okay. Thank you all and see you some other time.